They're definitely looking for a higher level of service, somebody that's going to take care of their car in a first-class manner. They want to drive out of here with confidence, knowing that it was installed right, done right, and they have somebody there to help them out if they have any problems. I think our technology shows a few things. This facility we built, we went for the best of the best equipment, the building, the way we treat our customers, the type of work we do. I think it adds continuity through and through the business and adds confidence and peace of mind to my customers as well.
You look here, this place is professional, the place is clean, the technicians are all up to date, they're neat, and when one of those people get in my car that I take care of, I know that I'm not going to have grease on the seats or mud on the floor, that the car comes back the way I left it, or better.
ASE is a non-profit organization which sets a standard through testing for technicians. There's several different fundamental levels they have to meet and be proved proficient at. Once they test, they're recognized for their achievements. In 2006, I was nominated to be the ASE Technician of the Year. I currently employ 8 master-level ASE technicians. I think it instills a lot of peace of mind with my customers that we have the capabilities to do the repairs, do the maintenance, do the service work accurately and efficiently.
When I make a purchase, a major purchase, if I don't feel qualified to make the decision, I contact someone that is. I feel Joe's truly cares about their customers. Salesmen were very instrumental in deciding what would be best for me, and that's how we decided on Bridgestone.
The vehicles change rapidly, the tires need to change rapidly, technology's changing rapidly, and what people expect out of their vehicles is changing rapidly. There's more miles driven than ever. A lot of people are holding on to vehicles that are a few years older. They're more willing to put a better product on, knowing that they're going to hang on to their vehicles for some time, knowing that they have peace of mind, knowing that they're safe driving down the road, knowing that that product will perform for them in the winter or in the summer, that they can drive down the road safe with their families in the vehicle.
I would say the reason that I am now a loyal customer is because going to dealerships in the past and having things that weren't maybe looked at the way they should be after I had insurance claims or hit a deer or whatever it may be, and then coming directly to get more oil changed here. And I've been a loyal customer getting more oil changed and serviced here. But after they took that next step by noticing something that a dealership that works on that kind of vehicle all the time didn't notice, that was really the aha moment. Saying, you know, well, they're not balanced, and then looking more into the tires and telling me, it's Minnesota, these tires, they're good, you know, they're not wore out, but you might want to look further into this, and if you want the best tire on the road, especially for winter conditions in Minnesota, then you want to look towards Bridgestone. The conversation about the tires was definitely eye-opening and a moment of truth.
I would say the current customer is more informed than ever before. They've done some researching. They probably have some pricing. They might think they're really looking at price, but when you talk to that customer, they're really looking at the best value. They really want to know who's going to take care of them, who's going to take care of their vehicle. Not only are there features and benefits on that tire, but my independent store has great features and benefits we can give the customer over and above the sale. And I believe that's what the customer ultimately is looking for.
When I came to Joe and told him I wanted to put new rubber on my Chrysler 300, and I told him I wanted to upsize as big as I could, Joe recommended Bridgestone to me. And after my research and talking to him, there was no other tire that I was interested in.
I would say that especially this location now is above and beyond as far as convenience goes. The service, it's open, it's welcoming, and then if you have any questions, you're going to have someone there for you right away.
To me, it was more of a personal thing. It was a personal thing with Joe. I feel very confident when I talk to him that he's telling me the truth, and when I go with what he says, that I'll be happy. And I have found that to be true in my years dealing here.
It wasn't just the regular oil change and service. They came out and explained to me anything that was going on with my vehicle. It wasn't, okay, let's get you in, let's get you out and charge you a little bit extra. It was, they were explaining everything that they did, explain the kind of oil that they had to use, and just built a relationship that way by being honest.
Whether it's something as simple as a free shuttle service, whether it's a level of confidence they get when they walk into my facility or talk to a representative from my facility on the phone, whether it's a road hazard warranty I can put on the tire, a rotation package, nitrogen filling, an alignment check at the point of purchase. Maybe it's a car that's been in the family for a while, maybe it's a restoration project, it could be anything, but a lot of customers want to feel confident when they walk in. They want to see a clean facility, they want to see technicians that are ASE-certified. They want to know that their car is in the right hands, and your image, your facility, your level of training, and your level of customer service shines right through it and gives that customer a peace of mind on the purchase they're going to make from you.